Assalamu alaikum, hey guys, what's up? I hope are doing well. So these gadgets and looking of you, this name is the rival MT10. You know this is the most advanced feature in RC series. So I'm looking these gadgets, so I decided I will new these gadgets. You know, looking for most beautiful and futuristic gadgets. So these specifications are most interesting, in which produce a high torque power to 3300 kV. Motors are most futuristic and realistic feels doing well. So these gadgets price is so high, but no, this is speed is mostly high other than RC cars. Yes, I say that, you know, I am understanding for these gadgets, but this is both vadi. Baki these gadgets are showing more stunt. Looking at this my videos, these gadgets up and down again and again and try again. I hope so. Are you understand what I am saying that these gadgets? Okay. Come on, I talk about these gadgets features, so I am telling about already. These gadgets is most powerful, high power producing these gadgets, in which gadgets are most beautiful look and most beautiful heavy five material used in the body. These gadgets have four tires and shock absorber high recommended available in the speed so high, so this shock are most powerful and working so good. You can buy these gadgets so easily if you click below the link and these gadgets by now, and you can see most futuristic gadgets. So please subscribe my channel and bell icon lazmi click. You also see my videos. These gadgets are different show stunt and high-fi speed or so both most. Yes. I you channel subscribe my please and bell icon click if you video want more. Thank you.